kartong karbing long like kelang ratun doan. Pinin lili di furong sepi dabing bom amat. Towar highway along inut abangphu alang liga foreigner alang liga Vietnam pensi kevang alang li pu towar suding akeng pen loksi kevang pen alang liga Nepal Kathmandu pensi pu pirthe pensi alang li pu pen nako kaprek Singapore kaprek countries ta me alang li la akeng pen loksi ke dam ulok lo la se itum karving long sita me alang li no nang burput lo la se alang li pen stemi chingi se thanji pu tang te lawang so video nang lang doni wo athema la pusona keng pen ke dam abangphu atuma life ke si interesting athema hema ri chi o si ningkan hini akeng lok ke dam si pirthe dang karting ji la pen ke along tin ke pholong sta me alang li tum ke ili tuma culture ili tuma khelam punon kachini pon se penangan alang li tum pachi thang pon lo se li tum sabe lada karving long lam thandon nik lo na tangte nalang din bomora bang so video
India flag, and this is
Nepal.
Is a Nepal flag, and this one is Vietnam. Wow, Vietnam is a wonderful country. You see the luggage, everything, water, sleeping bag, and sir, what is it? Is it called this one?
Kathmandu.
Oh, Kathmandu. Oh, Buddhist na? Okay. Here a little puppy. Puppy name?
Mutu.
Motu Patlu. Hey Motu, sleeping. Hey, you will be walking around the world, man. You are a lucky guy. Very lucky, Motu. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Keep walking, sir.
Thank you.
See you. Wow. That's like a spirit. So actually, what is it? Is it called this one?
Huh?
Is it a bicycle or is it some? What is this
Not
actually?
bicycle.
Then?
Hamcha.
Acha, it's a Hamchak. Well, good morning. And what is your good name?
My name is Thuk. I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
I fly Vietnam to Kathmandu. I begin walking Kathmandu. Come here.
Okay, from
1,100 kilometers.
oh my
from
God.
Kathmandu. Come here. Now I'm walking Nagaland, Manipur, Myanmar,
And then?
Laos, Thailand,
Okay.
Vietnam.
Okay, sir, what is the purpose of taking this wonderful trips, but especially by walking around the world? So, what is the special purpose?
Purpose?
Yeah,
Tourist traveling.
is it the tourist traveling?
Yeah.
What kind of message do you want to give?
Huh?
What kind of message you want to give to the people of Assam? You are entering right now in Karbi Anglong district, and this one is what is it? What kind of?
Gamcha.
It's
Gamcha.
it's a kind of missing or?
Oh, I have 33 gamcha. I have 33 gamcha in my luggage.
Okay.
Many people in Assam give me souvenir. Many.
Okay.
Yeah, they help me so much for sleep, for food, for everything. Yeah. I love Assam. Yeah.
After coming from Kathmandu, where you first enter India? From which side did you enter India?
Siliguri.
Oh, from Siliguri side. And from there you took by walking?
Yeah.
Okay. For how many days it took you to come up to here?
88 day.
Okay. So how you manage your food and all this, especially during the night? Where you used to sleep?
Sometimes sleep in hotel.
Okay.
But many people help me for sleep. Easy. I don't worry because Assam same my home. Yeah, Assam, Bengali, and Nepali. They help me so much. Yeah.
Sir, at your home, your family, are you married or?
Yeah, I have 3 baby.
Okay. And your wife?
Yeah,
She's at home.
yeah,
Do you miss them?
yeah. I miss, but I like working. I have 3 baby.
Okay, so how the idea comes to you that you will go around the world by just walking, you know, taking this, I don't know what is exactly is called.
Yeah, easy.
It's very easy, no?
Easy.
Oh, so you carry your luggage and everything here.
Yeah.
Oh,
I bring this one from Vietnam.
oh, from Vietnam.
Yeah.
Sir, especially for carrying the luggage and all.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got the extra.
I have to buy only this one 500 USD.
Okay.
$500. Only this one.
Okay. So how many days will it take to you to reach up to, you know, Myanmar and all?
8 months.
8 months. Oh my
Only
God. And so after 1 year you will reach your home,
Yeah.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then what would you like to give message to our people? What would you like to give a message to our younger people
I think
who takes drugs and alcohol in their daily life, and the youths are destroying their, you know, young life by, you know, having addicted to drugs and alcohol and all these things. So life is not, you know, life is so much fun, no? Just like you are enjoying life by, you know, venturing out in around the world just by walking and smiling in your face. Wow, sir. What would you like to give message to our younger people, especially the Karbis, our younger people?
before I answer you, I talk with you. My league not good. Sometimes I don't understand. But if one message for young husband, I want to talk. If you want, you do. If you want, you do. No problem. Sometimes you and me and everybody on way talk. I'm busy.
Oh.
We live one life.
One life, yeah.
Yeah. If you want, you do. No problem. Yeah. My little
English is good.
You put everything outside. Put everything outside and go.
So nice of you, sir. Wishing you all the best for everything you do, and I hope your journey will be more enjoyable because you have a very good smile in your face, and that's the good spirit.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. Can I help you, drop you up somewhere, or is it okay? You will go by walking?
Yeah.
Or you will come with me in my car?
No.
No. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.